If you are a manufacturer, you should be familiar with the processes about products, customers and suppliers. These three resources are the main source of your manufacturing process. When you have a product to produce, then you should have operations. Prodrun lets you to track all your operations. When you have a customer to sell your product, then you should get orders from your customer. Prodrun lets you to track all your customer orders. When you have a supplier to purchase raw material, then you should give orders to your supplier. Prodrun lets you to track raw material receiving process. All these processes are related to the production. Prodrun lets you to monitor your production process in real time. Every component you see here is interconnected. Even it includes the shipping process after production. In Prodrun, customer order, purchase order, goods receiving, production and shipping processes are related with each other. After you collect your data from the main processes, in the end you will be ready to see all inventory movements in the background automatically. And the other outputs like cost analysis and reports are very important for your business data analysis. Let's see this in a real demonstration. You see 8 main modules on the left menu. Products, customers, purchasing, production, inventory, shipping, cost analysis and reports. For example, you are seeing a work order with its production records here. When you want to look at the details, you can see every related process is connected to this work order. Customer order, purchase order, goods receiving, production and shipping. To digitize your business in seconds, Prodrun.com.